Hello guys, today we'll show you how to create custom neon titles in After Effects really easily with given project which you can download for free. The link is in the description. So let's get started. So when you open the project, don't forget to check this one, Essential Graphics, and here you will see everything you need, everything you want to change. Here you can change your text, so your text, you can change the color of the text. I will put green and it looks like this. So yeah, you can change everything you want, everything of the text, everything of the texture, background, all animations here. Here is all those backgrounds. And also you can put secondary text. So here is no secondary text. Don't forget to enable it to on, and here you can change also the color of it, everything, to make it smaller or bigger. You can change the position, how it looks best for you. And also there is a glint you can change. Yeah, you can change those backgrounds on the text. You can turn it on or turn it off. And also there is a camera options which you can change. So yeah, I think that's it. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with others. So see you soon.